type of the woman who wants to make an impression no matter what room you walk in, this video is for you. 4 ways to make an impression no matter what room you walk into. 1, confidence. 2, attraction. 3, communication. 4, style. As you know, I'm a personal stylist, LaToya Robinson. I'm the owner of Closet Invite, a personal styling service for women, and starting to for men a little bit, but we'll talk about that. This video is for you. If you want to walk into a room and you just feel like you put that ish on, then you know how important it is to have these qualities and these traits. So before you even go into an event or walk into any room, think about these items and think about, have you really put in the work to be able to walk confidently, feeling like that you are attractive, have the communication skills to hold the conversation, and have the style to be able to feel like I'm her. So, number 1, confidence. Confidence is something that I will always walks hand in hand with your overall image, your overall appearance. When you feel like you have really worked on yourself, really know who you are, whose you are. I am a woman of God. Knowing whose you are, knowing your worth, knowing how much time and put in that you've really spent on yourself, you will have the confidence to walk in any room, no matter who is in it. No matter who is in it. Number 2, attraction. Attraction is not just sexual attraction to the opposite sex or same sex, depending on your preference, but attraction to people in general, attraction of the people that you need to have assigned to your life and your businesses yes, who you need to have attracted in your life, your circle of network, who needs to be around you. That is who you attract. Are you able to attract those individuals? And that also goes hand in hand with your overall confidence, your overall of knowing who you are, whose you are, who are you becoming, who are you needing to be, who do you need to have around you, who do you need to have connections with to be able to get to the next level. Once you've honed that in, how do you attract those individuals? And that's exuding from the inside out, of being able to talk to your maker, to be able to work on your business or work on your personal self. You will start attracting those individuals. And knowing that you're a good person, knowing that you are confidently walking into who you need to be. So the confidence, the attraction, what was the third one that I just said? Your communication. Communication. That is a big one for me. Introverted, shy. Being able to hold long conversations is not something that I enjoy. Short conversations, a little short talks, not something I enjoy. I like to enjoy like-minded people for sure. I'm not like too standoffish. When you talk to me, I definitely will talk to you back, but I'm not the one who will always just go up to you and start a conversation. Sometimes I will, but I'm not always the one who's definitely like, so how's the weather, how's this, how's that, making a little short talk. So something that I definitely have been trying to work on is communication skills, because that's definitely something you be able to have that broad network of people. It's not just everyone that looks like you or everyone that's in your culture. You need to be able to talk to different people in different ways and different styles, and to do that is just being able to continue to I read communication books, I watch a lot of motivational videos and YouTubes, and learn how to communicate, was the power of influence and communicate with anyone. I forget the name of the books, but if you Google, you can find them. Just being able to do your research about different cultures and how they operate, and the people of how they got to where they need to be, so you can kind of pick their brain and understand who they are, keeping up with what's going on in the world. So when you do get asked those little conversations or small talk, you kind of already know what's going on in the world. Just continue to do your research and be you, so you can just exude your own personality and talk about the things that you like as well. So just being able to work on your communication and being able to know what you like, even your elevator pitch. What your elevator pitch is like your 30 seconds of, if you have a business, of what your business is. So if it's somebody that you really want to network, of being able to tell and explain what you do. Like, I'm LaToya Pope Robinson, a personal stylist. Of Closet Invite is my personal styling business. I personal style women. I help them attract the people they're assigned to and their business and their life through their image and style. Um, that kind of gives a little brief of what I do, and I can go into more of what that is. So whatever your elevator pitch is, of being able to really explain what you do, but also talk about your why. Why do you do what you do? And telling you of how I started my business and why did I start, and how I want to help these women be able to, no matter their shape, their size, their background, their culture, their finances, be able to know how to dress their body type, be able to show up as their authentic self, show up as the woman that they want to be. Because I think how important that is, that we all get to dress and show our personal style through our clothes, because we all have to get dressed every day. And how important our image is, and how we are judged by our image before we even open our mouth. And how even we have the best personality, but if we don't know how to show up, if the color that vibrates off of our skin tone, or be able to dress our body type, that people may not think that we are well put together or that we are well groomed, because we don't know how to show up in our appearance. How important that is. And so for me to be able to explain that and be able to communicate that is important. And that could be the same thing for your business or just for your overall who you are. So communication skills are definitely important, something that I'm continuing to work on. The last thing is the most important, well, I would say they're all important, but for my business, is your style. Is your style. As I just said, your style is so important. Why is your style so important? Because before you even open your mouth, as I stated, you're judged by your appearance. People judge you by your appearance, because that's the world that we live in. Before you even open your mouth, just sitting here, 7 seconds, you're judged just by your appearance. You're like, who is she? That color looks good on her. Well, she looks, well put together. She looks maybe well groomed. Maybe she has her life together. Like, that's the judgment that people come off of. But also, just to feel good. When we look good, we feel good. When we look good, we feel good. We look amazing. We feel amazing, and that is soothes, and our personality soothes of just going out day to day. And hey, how are you? When you feel good, when you don't feel good, sometimes you feel depressed. You don't feel like you even want to speak to anybody. You're hiding. Because, this color doesn't look great on me. I should have worn those other shoes. I don't feel like I can really show up because I don't feel the part. I don't feel like her. I don't feel worthy. That really comes off of playing internally and externally. So just knowing your style, knowing how to get your appearance together from head to toe, knowing what your colors look like, knowing how to dress your body type, knowing how to, how do I want to show up? Do I like to wear heels? Do I like to wear flats? Do I like jeans? Do I want pants? Do I want a dress? Do I want a mid-lift? Do I want a mini? Do I want maxi? Like, these things are important to be able to show up and attract the sign people in your life. That's how important this is, to be able to walk in the room and be able to confidently show up as your authentic self. So if you want to walk in a room and feel like I put that ish on, feel like I'm her. So the four were the confidence, attraction, communication, and style. Let's get together. I'm LaToya Pope Robinson, personal stylist. Closet Invites is my personal styling business. I offer complimentary consultations. You can email me at closetinvite@gmail.com, or the link will be in the bio depending on where you're finding this video. And we can talk about it. Let's talk more. Let's talk about your overall appearance, your overall image. What are your goals? What are your style goals? What's your appearance goals?